Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So in the last class, we discussed about the VS Code, and previous class we discussed about IDLE and Python installation. And before class, we explored the content, all these things. Okay, fine. Come to the Sublime-Text installation, and this is the free software. So you can download free of cost. No need to pay money for this. Okay, you can download free of cost. Let me open the different steps how to install Sublime-Text and all. Okay, so open the browser again. Open the browser, then search for Sublime-Text. Search for Sublime-Text. Then download it. Download based on your operating system, based on your OS. Then after that, directly install it. Okay, download it and next step-by-step installation. Okay, next. Click on next. Automatically it will download and install for you. And write Python code. Create new file then. Okay, create new file. And save as file name.py. Then write code, run code. Okay, that's all. Very simple, straightforward. Just observe the steps. Whatever the steps I am writing here, the steps you need to follow line by line. The steps I am writing. Open the browser, search for Sublime-Text, download based on your operating system. Click on next. Click on install button. Then automatically you can create new file. Install. Then create a new file and save as file name.py. This file name, whatever the file name here is, that is your wish. Whatever the name you want, you can keep it. But .py, don't forget. .py, don't forget. If you forget about .py, file will not run out. Okay, let me download it. Okay, open the browser. Search for Sublime-Text. Sublime-Text download. Okay, this one. Go to the download option. Directly go to the download option. Yeah, network is okay. Now you select your operating system, and based on the operating system, automatically download option will come. No issues about it. Okay. Based on network. Okay. So network is a little bit slow. No worries. We'll wait for it. One more time I'm searching Sublime-Text. Okay, right. Download. Click on download option. Directly click on download option. Based on your operating system, it will download for you. Okay. Directly I click on the download option. Yeah, so that file was actually downloading for me now. Can you see this? It is actually downloading for me. Sublime-Text .exe file, executable file. So whenever you got the executable file, automatically you can double click on that. It will install for you. So the file was downloading. Wait. Okay, let me go to the downloads. So Sublime-Text build file, exe file, setup file is there. You double click on it. Yes, it is asking me, do you want to allow app unpublished search engine? Okay, no issues. Go yes. Then go next. Then click on one by one. Next button, again next button. Nothing. Don't worry. Click on install button. Yeah, it was installing for me now. Yes, finished. Click on finish button. So Sublime-Text successfully installed for me in my system. Okay, let me search Sublime-Text here. Sublime-Text app is ready. You can open it. And file will open. Sublime-Text will open. So close all the things. Okay, this one. Okay, now you have to do one thing. So control plus is zoom. Control minus is zoom out. Control plus is zoom in. Control minus is zoom out. Remember the shortcuts. Next, create the new file. Here. and save it as, yeah, I want to save this file into my Python folder. So where is my Python folder? Go to desktop, go to Python folder. Properly folder structure is very, very important. So go to the Python folder, and this is the demo one. So previously in Visual Studio Code, we stored as a demo file, right? Now this one is demo1.py. Yes, click on the save button. Immediately click on the save button. Now write down the code. Okay, name is equal to Mohansh Technologies. Mohansh Technologies. Then course name. Okay, course is equal to, I am writing Python. And write down the things. Okay, I want to print the name. Print is the function to print the outputs basically. Again, you can write the print, open the parenthesis, write down the course also here. Okay, sorry, save, copy, paste. Control C, Control V, that's it. Okay, save the file properly. Control S, Control S, Control S. Number of times Control S you have to give. Okay, finally go to tools, go to build. That's it. No need to install any extensions for this. Go to tools, go to build. Okay, Python, yes, Python only. Yeah, I got Mohansh Technologies and I got a Python. Both I got outputs. The very simple program, straightforward. I'm just giving the name, I'm just giving the course, I'm printing the both name and course. Okay, later we will be entering into the different kind of programming patterns, but this is the editor introduction. So in the last editor introduction is Visual Studio Code. This editor introduction is Sublime-Text. Sir, Python, wherever you want, you can write it. That is not a problem. Okay, write down the things properly, write down the notes, and the structure also I given properly how to install Sublime-Text and all. Please do practice well and go for the next video. So if you've done this, then only go for the next video. That is the agenda of the learning. So our Mohansh Technology is going to be giving all the Python videos free for you. So you can learn from the Mohansh Technologies, all Python course free, no issues with that. But later on, you will be having emerging technologies like blockchain, and we will be having a quantum computing. We will be having the blockchain with Python, blockchain with the W3JS, and we will be having different kind of cybersecurity, IAM trainings, IAM like PingFederate, CyberArk, all these things. And we will be having some other different kind of technologies like AML KYC and ethical hacking kind of things. Okay. So contact with the Mohansh Technologies if anybody want to get the course and all. Okay. That's all for this video. And we will see the one more editor in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed till so far, please subscribe the channel. Provide your comments, guys. If you provide your comments, that is helpful for us. Basically, what I need to upload next time. So I want this kind of technology videos and all. So yes, we are ready to provide, and we are giving only online courses. We are not actually an offline platform. We are having online platform only, and we are having a short period courses only. Every course, every emerging technology course also, we have the only 45 days course. Python we are giving free, but emerging technologies we are taking 45 days courses. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Comments are needful. Thank you guys.